Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and today congratulations to all of you. We are 50K on the channel. आप लोगों ने जो इतना सारा प्यार, इतना सारा सम्मान, इतना सारा आदर और जितनी आप लोगों ने रिस्पेक्ट दी है उसके लिए आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल एंड आई रियली प्रॉमिस दैट फ्रॉम हियर आई विल मेक माय रिसर्च even more clearer. I just want to take you to the channel and I want to show you what kind of work we did today. So I have given yesterday ONGC for a buy above 155.75. Today it made a high of 162 point or 163, almost like that. We have given buy on Balrampur Chini at 415. It made high of 418. Then we have given coal India once 198. It made a high of 199.45. Oil we have given a buy at 242.87. It made a high of 300, right? So you will see a lot of research being presented here and you will find very, very good trades. I can promise you that we put everything that we have to filter out the best trades for you. Soon we will be live on YouTube. Till then, just bear with us. Join us through the live trading that we post on our channel, on the StockPro channel. You can join through the go to webinar link, and here is the channel link. You can find it over here. A lot of you are asking that Telegram link doesn't work. You can just take a screenshot and search on the Telegram channel StockPro official SEBI-registered, and you can watch this link out here. This will give you, like, you will be able to see this link. Type it on the browser, on your Telegram browser, you will be able to find us. All right, with this, let me take you to trading view and we're going to talk about the stocks, the market stance, and what may be expected. So this is how Bank Nifty looks, and have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened slightly gap down and the gap down continued, and then it took a support and went up, right? So there is a slight reversal towards the end of the day, but in general, entire day Bank Nifty was falling down, right? So Bank Nifty, if you have a look at it, the stance doesn't look very positive, but nevertheless, it's in the no trading zone. There is neither extremely negative, neither extremely positive stance. According to me, I would like to see more clarity in the market. And similarly, Nifty Futures, Nifty is also in a similar way. Open equal to high, it opened gap up, gap down, but after that, it never broke the high that where it opened, right? So the stance of Nifty is also very, very negative. Having said that, I have filtered some stocks. I am majorly a buyer. I'm majorly a bullish person. My stance is always bullish. So the stocks that I've filtered are also bullish in nature, right? But you have to be careful as the market doesn't look very promising. You got to be careful. The first stock that is on my radar is Honeywell Auto. So this is how it's forming a skewed double bottom above this place, which is 32,700. We have a very, very good opportunity to enter, and a straight flight, in 2-3 days of 34,500 can be expected. If that is crossed, a flight of 36,000 can be expected, but it may take about 15-20 days. So you have to do the positional trading in this stock. Then the second stock that looks good to me is Alchem. I have already given it on the channel, on the YouTube channel. It has broken, but still, see, there is a whole lot of accumulation happening. In this stock, is stock में accumulation हो रहा है. That is how it's making higher lows every time and refusing to break through this channel. तो जैसे जैसे higher low बन रहा है, अगर ये barrier cross होता है, if this barrier is crossed, which is at this place, we will definitely expect a good move. So 32,000 3200 का barrier अगर cross होता है, आपको एक अच्छा movement आता हुआ दिखेगा Alchem में. The next stock that I have on my radar is HDFC AMC, right? HDFC AMC can be a good buying opportunity above this place, which is 1900. 1900 पे इसको strong resistance लग रहा है. Sellers have been activated, and again they got activated. So crossing 1900 is extremely important. But what makes it promising? These 5 indecisive candles, right? In case there is a decisive candle that comes up, and crosses the 1900 barrier, we will definitely expect a good move up till about 1950, and then 2000 can be surely expected. The next stock that looks very promising to me at this point of time is Indigo, right? Where are we expecting to take an entry? We will take an entry above 1850. So in Indigo, our entry only comes after 1850. Then what could be our stop loss? Our stop loss could be 1800. Our target for sure can be, first target will be 1875, and then 1900 and 1950, and so on and so forth. So Indigo is looking good. Even for that matter, even SpiceJet is looking good, right? It's bottomed out. Let me show you. I haven't got it here, but it is price wise, it's looking very good to me. Why? Because it's bottomed out. It's refusing to go below this place. Thrice it has taken support from here. So in case it goes above 49, you will get a very nice entry in SpiceJet. So the next stock that I have on my radar is Manappuram. The mere fact that it has taken a refusal from this level time and again, यहाँ 91.5 से इसने बार बार रिफ्यूजल लिया है और प्राइस रिजेक्शन हुआ है, तो व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट 97.6 और 98 के ऊपर हमको बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. सबसे पहले आपको 2 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज 100 पे क्या होगा, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन राइटर्स एक्टिव होंगे. अगर ये 100 का बैरियर क्रॉस करता है तो आपको एक 102, 104 एंड 6 का टारगेट आपको जरूर मिलेगा, राइट? Manappuram is looking really good to me. Then the next stock that looks good to me is SR Transfin. The fact that it has been taking reversal from this level is a fact. It tells me that the stock is actually building up, right? And it may be a good breakout. It may give a good breakout above 1200. So closing above 1200 is extremely important because their option writers will be again active. And the last stock that is on my radar is FSL, right? FSL is a good stock. 2 days, it has been building up. Market has been negative, but this stock is looking to be building up. So where are we getting an entry? 113.5. Our first target will be 2 points. That's 115.5. And once that is crossed, then 118 target can be also looked into. Even TVS Motor looks very good. The way it has come up today, but closing above 750 is extremely important. So the stocks that I've selected for you: Honeywell Auto, then TVS Motors, then Alchem, then HDFC AMC, and Indigo, Manappuram, SR Transfin, FSL. So this is just purely a watch list. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, right? You have to do your own research. I have done a lot of research because I've found how much money has been deployed, how much is the open interest, how much is the volumes, how is the option chain building up. I have done all the research on these stocks, and that is how I'm presenting it to you. Now it's your time to decide where you want to take an entry, when you want to take an entry. If the market is negative, please decide. If the market is positive, then you decide. The choice is yours. I'm presenting my watch list to you. Hope you're understanding and you're making some money along with Stock Pro. Take care, all the best, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, and see you in the live market with live trading from 10 to 11. Join me on the Telegram channel. There you will find a link. We do live trading every day. See you there. Bye bye.